Hello there, welcome again to this tutorial. Now we want to see how we can change the theme color or the color behind the commands. So this color, so we want to see how can we change that color. So simply what you do, click here, click on letter A. So once you click letter A, select the option of, select this option here on options. Sorry. So select options, and now you can see here it's light. So now we can change this one. Click this arrow here, get dark, click OK. Click OK, and so you click this, OK. And there you have it. So everything here has changed to dark color. Thank you.